than a tortoise. Here children, we are comparing a tortoise with a frog. Children, here there is a comparison of their size. You can see that a frog is smaller than a tortoise. Let's see one more example here. The sun is brighter than the moon. Children, now you have to compare the sun. Now tell me children, with whom sun is compared? Very good. With moon. Children, you can also compare yourself with another one in your classroom. Now children, please open page number 18. Activity 5. Study the example and answer the following questions. And children, we are going to do the same type of comparison in this activity. Here children, in this sentence, we compare Rohit with Ruchir. Rohit has 35 kg weight and Ruchir has 40 kg weight. Now children, tell me who has less weight? Very good. Yes, Rohit. Rohit is lighter than Ruchir. And children, tell me who has more weight? Right, Ruchir. So, Ruchir is heavier than Rohit. Children, let's see first number. Mr. Patel is 67 years old and Mr. Pandya is 70 years old. Say children, here we have Mr. Patel who is 67 years old and Mr. Pandya who is 70 years old. Children, here we are comparing Mr. Patel with Mr. Pandya. Now, tell me children, who is older? Yes, Mr. Pandya. To whom is he older? Yes, Mr. Patel. So children, our answer will be Mr. Pandya is older than Mr. Patel. And tell me children, who is younger? Yes, Mr. Patel. To whom is he younger? Right, Mr. Pandya. So children, our answer will be Mr. Patel is younger than Mr. Pandya. Children, have you completed? બાળમિત્રો, જેવી રીતે આપણે ફર્સ્ટ બ્લેન્ક પૂર્ણ કરી તેવી રીતે જ તમારે સેકન્ડ, થર્ડ અને ફોર્થ પૂર્ણ કરવાનું છે, જેના માટે હું તમને સમય આપું છું. Children, have you completed? Yes, very good. Now, let's check the answer. Sonal is 5 feet tall and Sonu is 4 feet tall. Here, we compare Sonu with Sonal. Now, children, tell me, who is taller? Yes, very good. Sonal. Sonal is taller. But to whom is she taller? Yes, Sonu. So children, our answer will be Sonal is taller than Sonu. And children, who is shorter? Yes, Sonu. Sonu is shorter. Now you know to whom is she shorter? Yes, Sonal. So the answer will be Sonu is shorter than Sonal. બાળમિત્રો, હવે તમારો આન્સર ખોટો હોય તો તમે સુધારીને ફરીથી લખી લો. Now children, here there is a conversation. Now let's listen and enjoy the conversation. And children, you have to listen it carefully because by listening this conversation, we will get the right answer. Now let's enjoy the conversation. Hi Rosie.
Hi ma'am.
Rosie, what do you have in your hands?
I have 10 toys. Ma'am, see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 toys.
Very good. What do you have in your hands, Razia?
Ma'am, toys.
How many toys do you have?
Ma'am, see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ma'am, I have 9 toys. Rosie, I have less toys than you.
Very good. And from where you have bought the toys?
From the gift store.
Very good. Now go and play with the toys.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Now children, have you enjoyed the conversation? Yes, very good. Now children, tell me how many toys Rosie has? Yes, very good. She has 10 toys. And children, by comparing this, tell me how many toys Razia has? Yes, she has 9 toys. Children, here we are comparing Rosie with Razia. Now children, tell me which number is less? Yes, 9 is less than 10. Now children, we will get the right answer and the answer will be 1. Rosie has more toys than Razia. Second, Razia has less toys than Rosie. બાળમિત્રો, હવે તમારો આન્સર ખોટો હોય તો તમે સુધારીને ફરીથી લખી લો. Now children, let's see number 4. Mahesh drinks 2 glasses of milk. Naresh drinks 1 glass of milk. Children, here Mahesh drinks 2 glasses of milk and Naresh drinks 1 glass of milk. Children, compare Mahesh with Naresh and tell me how many glasses of milk does Naresh drink? Yes, very good. And children, now tell me how many glasses of milk does Mahesh drink? Yes, very good. Children, 2 number is less or 1 number is less? Very good. You will get the right answer. And the answer will be 1. Mahesh drinks more than Naresh. Second, Naresh drinks less than Mahesh. હવે તમારો આન્સર ખોટો હોય તો તમે સુધારીને ફરીથી લખી લો. Children, today we learn this comparison and you have to use in your day-to-day conversation. Children, we will meet in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.